serve in this area in pastoral, educational, and social aspects. It helps in molding the future citizens with reasonability and dedication. Surely, this triumphant victory is because of each one of us, you and me. Together we build. Yesterday and today had walked along in order to get a good future. Very Reverend Father Matthew Jacob Tiruval, OIC, Provincial Superior of Bethany Navajivan Province and the manager of Bethany Navajivan Institutions, has many years of work experience with teenagers and youth. Father, your interaction with children always impart a positive vibe in the campus. We are blessed with your presence. Dear Father, hearty welcome to Triumph 2019, our 14th annual day celebration. Our guest of honor, Mr. A. Tirunila Prasad, Principal Special Judge for CBI cases, Chennai, an exceptional figure in Indian judicial system. A committed, sincere, and righteous judge. Your wisdom, compassion, and expertise saved many innocent people from fabricated cases and at the same time convicted many criminals who threatens the safety and life of common man. We are honored with the presence of such an eminent personality this evening. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. On behalf of Bethany family, I welcome your Lordship to Triumph 2019, our 14th annual day celebration of Bethany Navajivan Institutions. Mr. Muniyasamy, District Education Officer, Kuzhithurai, is an educationist who uses education as a most powerful weapon to change the society. Dear sir, with thankful heart, we remember your contribution to our school. On behalf of Bethany family, I welcome you to the 14th annual day celebration. Dr. A. Mohanan, District Education Officer, Nagarkoil, an educationist who always believed that the soul of the society is education, and with proper education, real transformation can bring into the society. He is one of the benefactors of Bethany family, Vengod. Your support and advice help us to improve our school system. Thank you so much for spending time with us. On behalf of Bethany family, I welcome you to the 14th annual day celebration. Mr. Justin Raj, Deputy Superintendent of Police, SCST Vigilance Cell, Madurai, is a friend of Bethany family, Vengod, a passionate, committed, and firm officer with compassionate heart. A simple police officer, but very sharp and precise in his assignments. Sir, you are helping us always like a good consultant and an advisor. Thank you so much for being with us. On behalf of Bethany family, I welcome you to the 14th annual day celebration. Reverend Dr. John Christopher OIC, Superior Bethany Ashram, Vengod, Correspondent, Bethany Navajivan Institutions, Vengod, and Principal of CBSE School. A visionary educationist who is always energetic, creative, and motivates everyone. We are blessed and enriched with your presence in this campus. Hearty welcome, dear Father, to this beautiful evening. Our provincial councillors, Reverend Father Thomas Reggie, OIC, our provincial procurator, Reverend Father Jacob Dayanand, OIC, our provincial councillor for Education Department, Reverend Father Thomas George, OIC, Reverend Father Abraham Cherthalekal, OIC, our vice principal, Reverend Father Bonike Alex, OIC, our bursar, former correspondents, principals, bursars, officials from different institutions, reverend fathers from different parishes, ashrams, and institutions, and reverend sisters. Your presence adds more flavor to our annual day. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. Hearty welcome, dear fathers and sisters, to 14th Annual Day celebration. We have few invited guests. We would like to call them simply Friends of Bethany. Thank you so much for accompanying with us. A warm welcome to you all, Friends of Bethany. Dear parents, your constant support and creative suggestions helped us to improve our system and method. We appreciate your concern over your students and interaction with teachers and your timely feedbacks. Let's witness the super talents of your super kids. Hearty welcome, dear parents. My dear teachers and students, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it for today. It's your pride moment. You're spending more time in this campus than your family. This is like your second home. Dear teachers, each and every student benefit from your hard work, dedication, expertise, creativity, and compassion. Dear students, you are our heroes. You are the future of your family, and you are the future of our nation. Let us together make a difference. My dear students, teaching and non-teaching staff, that because of your hard working, this day is going to be so colorful and vibrant. I extend my sincere welcome to each one of you. Once again, hearty welcome to Triumph 2019, our 14th Annual Day celebration of Bethany Navajivan Institutions, Venkot. Thank you so much.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of the earth, as candle expels the darkness of a room, as kindness expels the darkness of her heart, so let us light the lamp here to drive out the darkness and to bring happiness in all our life. To make this evening a blessed one, I invite all treasured dignitaries to kindle the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. May I invite our chief guest, Mr. Tirunila Prasad, Father Matthew Tiruvallil OIC, DEOs, DSP, the principals of our institutions, and a student representative, Ashlyn R. Rinthika, to light the lamp.
You are
change. Change changes the tender hearts from darkness to light, from gloomy to glad, from passive to active, and from hated to love. Bethany doesn't just focus on academics. We teach them all that they need to be a good, creative, innovative, and an independent individual in future. In this journey of Bethany, we meet dedication, determination, discipline, hard work, achievements, success, failure, glory, and so on. It's time to share the achievements came out by continuous contribution of management, staff, and students. Without wasting much time of you, and also with honor and pride, I invite our correspondent, Reverend Father Dr. John Christopher OIC, to present the annual report of the year 2018-2019.
Dear Provincial Superior, Father, very Reverend Father Matthew Thiruvalil, our guest of honor, our beloved judge, our special guest, Mr. Justin Raj, our both DOs, for the benefactors, our principals, provincial council members, particularly the in charge for education, Father Thomas George, or all guests, dear parents, dear students. I am very happy to present the annual report for the year 2019 and 2020. Indeed, the year we had a very good days here in our institutions, drawing from the inspiration from the founder, our founder, Mar Ivanios. We, the Bethany Navajivan province, are established based on the spirit of the congregation, different institutions at different places of India and abroad, and finally, particularly at Vanguard. Here we have Anthony's home, that is the orphanage, and we have the Navajivan kindergarten, which we established in 2016 with the motto of small hands weaving big dreams. And we have the Bethany Navajivan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, which is also established in 2006, and College of Education in 2008, and in 2009 we established the CBSE school. And this academic year we began on 29th of May for KG, 30th May for CBSE, and 31st May for Matriculation School, and for 22nd July and 4th July, respectively, for first and second year B.Ed students. This year, we started with fundamental four things. One, bring in positivity in everywhere. This was the main idea we had at the beginning of this academic year, to which we also focused on disciplined life, discovering individual talents of the students, and developing a curiosity among students for knowledge. This was the focus to which we started this year. Certainly for the B.Ed students, our focus was a little different. We were challenging the students with new teaching and learning methods. Always we tried to bring in value-oriented teacher training program in our curriculum, and we wanted to prepare our prospective teachers to face the challenges of both Indian and international syllabuses, which was the focus we had. Last year's result, maybe 10th result, 100% result, and 50% of the students scored more than 80% with the highest percentage of 96.6, which is a tremendous achievement from our side, because 50% of students have scored above 80%. And 12th also we had 100% result, but 75.6% of students scored above 60%, which is not fair, but still a result. But we had the highest percentage of 84. And CBSE, we had 100% result. All the students got above 70% with the highest percentage of 95.3. This is also a tremendous result. And B.Ed, we had 95% result. All the students got first class with distinction. This is the achievement that we had the last year. And the total strength of our campus, 1,968 students, 108 teaching faculty, supporting staff 46. More specifically, we have one orphan child, 32 semi-orphan students who are studying with us, 3 differentially abled students, 2 intellectually little disability students, and in a pleasant way, there are 18 students. They are twins. They are here. That is also adding the color to our campus. But sadly, we lost our Mrs. Shija, one of the computer teacher. She was working here. She died of cancer. Mrs. Sajida, she died while giving birth to a child. And Mrs. Ramani, who was working as our supporting staff, who also died. And this year, we lost 4 of our students, lost their mothers, and 1 student lost his father. This is a very sad moment. Let us give a pause of half second, and all of us sit, and let us remember the departed soul in prayer. Yes, to continue, the academic life here, we started the commerce group for 11th this year, that is on achievement, and each student is evaluated and points were awarded. This is the trend, new trend that we have introduced here, and I can very categorically state that there is tremendous improvement in the grade compared to last year. I can very well say from the third classes, 2nd to 9th, when we evaluate, 28% of increase in the percentage of mark in the metric school, and also 34% of increase in the percentage of mark in the CBSE school. That is, of course, we can evaluate, think how was the last year. Last year, all students are failing. They were getting 0 marks, and we were trying to the new system of education into our campus. Everywhere have been facing the challenges, but we are coming out well, and our students are doing extremely well. We have improved a lot in writing skill. That is one of the plus points that we understand right now. But we need still more focus. We are focusing on the improvement in handwriting, and also we need to focus little more on the reading skills. This is the focus which is on. And on extracurricular activities, we have the chess, kung fu, music, dance, and drawing. And PM Pradiksha of standard 3rd, Jasmine, she won chess competition district level first and state level second prize. Priyadarshini of standard 7, she also won chess competition district level second prize. And Jijo of standard 5th of Lily also won prize in the 5th prize in the chess competition in district level. Hansi Rajesh of 8th Rose has been selected for the Young Scientist program. 25 students received different certificates and belts in Kung Fu. 5 students attended their keyboard exam grade 1. 183 students are going to appear for Parichaya exam in Hindi. 150 students Pradhamik exam. 193 students will appear for Madhyama exam, 190 students will appear for Rashtra Bhasha exam, and 1,198 students will be appearing for various types of government certified computer exams. This is really a big achievement for our school, not only for our school, the campus, but it's the achievement for our students. And 595 students are appearing for Indian Talent exam. And I am also proud to say that the Navajeevan Kindergarten School is organizing an inter-school fancy dress competition that will be held the coming Friday on same day, next week, that will be held here, will be organized by the KG teachers and students. Co-curricular activities, there are we have 10 clubs. Under charity club, we could construct 3 houses for the poor with the idea of Bethany Crib. We don't spend money on preparing crib during the Christmas, but we collect money and from the students are collecting money. With that money, with the contribution from our management, we could contribute 3 beautiful houses this year, which costed around 12 lakhs, more than 12 lakhs, which was beneficiaries are Mrs. Glory of Kayalavula, Rukumani Rangavalai, and Mrs. Sudha Mangad. These are the 3 beneficiaries. We also distributed study materials for 379 students on the Thanksgiving Day. We used to have the Thanksgiving Day. On that day, we could collect some books, maybe the study materials from the students that has been distributed to the students of other schools, which was a very amazing experience for our kids. And our students' parliament election was conducted and chief election commissioners were appointed. They conducted the parliament election for the students. 16 students attended annual Scout and Guide camp and 11 students wrote Rajya Puraskar exam. Students' parliament, student workshop, cabinet meetings are regularly held, mostly on every month. 21 students have participated in Talent Expo organized by Mar Ivanios Bethany Vidyalaya, Kanyarangulam. 58 students participated in athletics and 28 students secured prizes and 8 of them were selected to the district competition. And other major events, luminescence, otherwise called in a natural way, it is called exhibition. For the exhibition, all our students, from the standard 1st to 12, all our students prepared a project, and all our students presented a poster, and all our students demonstrated either a working model or still model. They all deserve appreciation. I ask all of you to appreciate our students. This is a big achievement. And they all did on the major theme, human innovation. And the participation of the parents was tremendous. They also are very much encouraged and they deserve also all the appreciation. The best performing classes and individuals were given award. Bethania is a 5-day program here in the campus. All students are free. They can be everywhere. It is sports, arts, literary events, everything. And almost 600 events were held here. Differently for metric, CBSE, and kindergarten, of course, for the BA student, it's on the way. This was a tremendous period in which we could identify not only the talents of our students, but also we could identify the talents of our teachers, which in a different way we can see in today's program. We could locate their strengths and weakness, and from that we are able to contribute much through our teachers to our students. And the salient features, we have the daily assembly, daily class allotment for virtue education. 20 minutes is allotted every day for value education. We take every day, every period attendance. All festivals and important events are celebrated here, irrespective of religion. And 0-hour time has been allotted every day in the morning and evening, where the teacher, class teacher, mother teacher will take care of the students. And compulsory participation in extracurricular activity was another trademark, which was one of the most important achievements that we can say for us of our school. This year, this is a new, the name academia is a coin that the word coined by us. That is, we are always to bring in the positivity in the among students. We always find out fault on our kids. Why can't we find goodness in them? Therefore, we thought of bringing in this idea of academia. A student is evaluated not based on the mark that he gets in the progress report, but it is also important we must measure the character of our student, the discipline of our student, the punctuality of the student, the talent of our students, how the work ethics is being applied in the life, whether our students are respectful and responsible, and these things collectively are evaluated and encouraged. Based on that, we give a grade. That grade will be going to be next year's merit prize, not the one who gets the highest mark, but one who does everything good, who will be the meritorious students in our campus from next year. This is the one that we introduced this year. We get a tremendous improvement in the students and also positive encouragement from our parents. And we also maintain a good record and a total record of each student and each teacher, and it is being also entered in our iCloud campus. And the BEd, of course, our special characteristics of BEd college is communicative skills. In English, we give a lot of opportunities for our students. They even organize the Bethania, the luminescence, and they also conduct daily assembly. We also could give some training for our teachers because we all are learners, not only the students, but teachers and all the principals. Everybody is a learner. This year, we gave some of the training on newspaper and reading skills, communicative English, grammar, phonetics, magic in mathematics, child psychology, classroom management. These are some of the courses we contributed to our teachers. And we need to improve a little more. We can say we are not perfect in everything. We need to improve a lot. There should be some fluency of language in all three languages. We need to improve: English, Tamil, Hindi. And one important thing that we try to implicate in students is the students should understand the hardship of the parents, for which we are keep on trying. I think we will achieve. Then we also need to have some sense of urgency in learning. That idea also should be given to students, which sometimes very sadly we don't get it. And finally, of course, we have to achieve better marks. That is the trademark everywhere. We also need to get, for which we have to invest a little more time on it. And the challenges occurred among the students. We are living in a world where nobody is minding anybody. This is the world we are. Therefore, we are trying to grow in tendency of mindlessness versus mindfulness. So we want to give some mindfulness, which the students should learn now, so that they will be mindful of their parents, elders, teachers, everywhere, for which we are to give. This is one of the challenges ahead of us. Then second, of course, you all know, addiction to mobile or social media that inflicts external peer group influence towards negativity. This also should be tackled very seriously.